Hey, party people in the place. I am popping on, so we are continuing the conversation for speakers, for you speakers. 10 components to a great signature talk. So I hope you are jotting all this down. I hope you are jotting all this down. All the information that I've shared over these several days are all things I make sure that is in my signature talk. And it's I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. So my name is Leona Carter. I'm an international empowerment speaker and best-selling author. And I've been coming over the 10 days, or not 10 days, over the few days, sharing 10 components to a great signature talk. I've already shared 8. Today I'm sharing 9, but let me just give you a quick recap, right? I got my paper right here because I don't want to miss any of them. So 10 components to a great signature talk. 1, you need to have a story. 2, you need to have a point. 3, you need to have an intro. 4, you need to have an outro. 5, it needs to be transformational. 6 and 7, you need to have a peak. 7, you need to have a valley. Number 8, it needs to be relatable. And today is number 9. So number 9, your signature talk needs to be easy to share. Easy to share. Now let me tell you why it should be easy to share. Because when you're sharing your story, when you're on stage, just like watching a good movie, you go and tell your friend, oh my gosh, I watched this movie, and you're able to share what the movie was about to someone else, right? Because it's easy to share. You understood the point as you was watching it. It was easy to share, and you're able to share that to your friend. Well, the same with your signature talk. Your signature talk should be easy to share for someone to say, oh my God, I heard this lady, her name is Leona Carter. This is what she talked about. She shared about, moving from Seattle, Washington to Kalamazoo. Oh my gosh, and people can share your story, right? You don't know how phenomenal it is when people can share your story. I'm telling you, people have gone on my website. There's a lot of story that I have on my website. People have gone on my website, and when I see them in person, they are able to share my story back to me in person, right? Because they was able to gauge all that from the website. So your signature talk, your story needs to be easy to share, because what that does is, as you are sharing your story, you're on the stage, you're sharing a dynamic signature talk. All you do is have other people marketing your story. Other people are sharing it, right? So your signature talk shouldn't be so full of industry language, okay? Industry language. Industry language means the only person that understands that language is that industry, right? So medical terminology, words if you're an engineer, words if you're a chemical operator. Only that industry understands that language, right? Your signature talk should be so clear, so easy to share, that an engineer can share the message. Come on, communication. That an engineer should be able to share the message that a doctor talks about, right? It should be easy to share. And so keep that in mind with your signature talk. You want it to be relatable, as we talked about, easy to communicate, right? Easy to communicate, communicatable, right? And so make sure that your signature talk doesn't have so many big jargon words in your industry that nobody can understand it, let alone sharing it with anyone, right? So keep that in mind for your signature. It makes a world of difference, because everybody knows your story, everybody can share your story, and people will come to you like, now are you the one that have the 6 kids? Now are you the one that moved from Seattle to Kalamazoo? Oh, okay. And I'll say, have we met? No. Someone else was telling me about your story. Someone else was telling me. Someone else, right? That is the key. So make sure your signature talk is easy for others to share. Tomorrow I'm gonna be coming back with the 10th and final one. But if someone can guess what my 10th component to the signature talk might be, you're gonna get a free ticket to the speaker's workshop. But you only have until about, just a few minutes. If you can, just within the next couple of hours, if you can guess what the 10th point is, and I'll give you a hint. If you're an entrepreneur, you do this a lot. You do this a lot. This is gonna be my 10th point. So if you're in Kalamazoo and you can guess what my 10th point is, you're gonna get a ticket, a free ticket to the speaker's workshop. So I'm super excited. So I actually am joining Sean Fair and Imagine's Theater October 8th, 2019 for the Leadership Experience Tour. So this is going to be phenomenal. I'm actually going to be on the stage empowering you about the power of your words. So during my time there, you are going to understand the importance, the crucial importance of speaking and focusing on what you want to manifest, right? I'm telling you, you want to come to this conference so that you can enhance and improve your personal and professional life, right? So this is how you can help. You can help us by 1, purchasing your ticket, 2, share this post, 3, like this post, and I will see you in the place. I have all the information that I will leave in the comments, and it's about 12 of us speakers that will be speaking at the Leadership Experience Tour, and it's going to be in Novi, Michigan. So that's one of the things that I have coming up. If you popped in earlier, I did a Facebook Live earlier this morning from my hairstylist. So I got my hair did, I got my hair done now, right? I was in the middle of getting my hair done earlier when I went live, with my hairstylist, Tony Etheridge, here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. So I got my hair all done because tomorrow is our photo shoot. So tomorrow is our photo shoot in Detroit, Michigan. All the speakers, they have a brand photographer hired for the event, and so Emma is going to be taking our pictures tomorrow, 9 a.m. in the morning. I gotta be ready to smile on camera at 9 a.m. in the morning in Detroit, Michigan. Whew, I just think about that. But anywho, I'm gonna leave information in the comments for you because my speaker's workshop is coming up in about 3 weeks. Like, it is not even long. So if you don't have your ticket to that, you need to grab your ticket before they are all gone. So because